everyone, and thanks for hanging out with me. Another video today. I want to explain why I am not ordering the Kona. I know I said it's because money, and that's very easy said. The thing is just, I love the Kona, I love electric cars, I love driving them. So driving an electric car for me is just the most amazing thing, how a car should behave driving. Quiet means listen to this. Me the whole time, I hate it. So I love that there's no sound, or when there is sound, it's tiny, and it sounds, again, like I always say, it sounds like the future. And no gear change, instant torque, a lot of power, even though the car doesn't need a lot of power to do that. That's just amazing. Comfortableness, the gadgetry, so many gadgets you can press around. What's my average consumption, and blah, 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 you know, efficiency and all of this. It's just charging speed that you can see it and everything. It's charging itself. It's just awesome. And of course, for me, the Kona would have a great advantage for daily driving. You don't have to go to the gas station anymore, and for me it's even more of an effort because I have to go to Austria, and it takes half an hour from where I am to go there, fuel up and come back. But in Austria it's just so cheap. So charging at home overnight or charging at work during work, it's just the best thing for me. I drive 52 kilometers a day or something for a daily commute. So I can easily charge that in a few hours. It's no problem. What is that, like 8 kilowatt hours or something? So in 3.5 hours or 4 hours, the car is at the point where I started in the morning. That's just awesome. That's very convenient, and the preheating is very convenient. That's nice. The problem is, it sounds horrible, but for my wife the problem is that she doesn't care about that. Well, she doesn't fuel up the car, so that's okay. If she rarely, and charging at home is nothing special for her, and driving the car, an electric car, is not special for her at all. She doesn't care. It's just not her thing. If it drives, that's fine. Bit more power, she's okay with that. She likes the, seat heater, steering wheel heated and stuff. That's nice, and preheating, that's nice, but it's just, that would be the only reason for that car, and the car would be over 400 euros a month. Pay for the car, insurance and power. And the car we have now, we will own it soon, next September or something, and then we only pay for gas and what we have to fix, and that's around 150 to 200 euros, so that's double. So the Kona will cost us double as this car would, and for a reason that she doesn't care about. So of course, why would she be for it? Yeah, let's spend more money for something that I don't need and I don't want. Another thing, of course, is that I would drive around with the car all the time, make videos and test everything, and never be at home, so never see her again. And man and their hobbies. And then of course it's the disadvantages that an electric car has when it comes to charging. When you go a bit farther away on a road trip and something, this then is something for her that she's just why it costs more, and then we have a disadvantage. I don't get this. I don't want this, and I understand that, but it's just hard. I'm really sad and a bit down, and looking for ways to still make it happen, but I doubt it. I'm on the edge of giving up, but I shouldn't. I know, but just charging somewhere, when you go somewhere, and charging infrastructure is not that great yet. That doesn't matter where you are, you can charge up. It's no problem. Right now you have to go at a certain place to charge up, and or you have to do it on the way, it means you have to wait there, and so the trip is an hour longer because you have to charge. You know how it is. Again, in Germany, charging infrastructure is not that great yet. And so, again, I understand her, but still, I would want the car so bad, and I can't wait to have the Kona for a test ride over the weekend. And I know that when I have to bring the car back, it will be the saddest moment. It will be very hard. Go cry with me, support me. Poor me. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. Take care. Bye.